In today's video, we are going to show you how to follow signals in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside the dashboard, I want you to hover to the trade platform because this will open up the chart panel. Now, Quotex doesn't provide built-in trading signals, so traders follow external signals, and these signals specify an asset pair. It could be a currency pair like Euro to USD or crypto. And then on the right side, you have the expiry time, the investment, and of course, the buy or green button, which is going to be the up button, and the sell down or the red one is going to be your indicators. What you need to do is get a signal first. For example, we're going to be using something like Euro here, and then you need to match the signal's duration using the time selector. We are going to create an external signal by using the drawing tool. We are going to use a horizontal line to specify one signal at the top. We're going to make it a little bit thicker so you guys can see it. Let's say I'm going to color it as yellow. That is one, and I'm going to put a specific time for this one. And then for the next indicator or signal, I'm going to create another cross line here. You see this cross line? And I'm going to make it a red one and make it a little bit thicker so you guys can see it. So we have now external signals, and all we have to do right now is enter the amount for the investment, for example, 69. You can either tap the up button or down arrow per the signal color. Okay, so different colors has different amount that you can put in. You might want to use the demo account first to test signals without risk. Now, remember, signals are tools, not magic. If you truly want long-term success in Quotex, you need to learn the basic chart reading, understand support and resistance, manage your risk, track your results, because these signals should support your strategy, not replace it even if you follow it. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to follow signals in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.